Binance versus Bitget. Which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage digital assets without unnecessary fees or security concerns. Binance offers fast liquidity, while Bitget focuses on derivatives and user experience. Binance and Bitget are two leading crypto exchanges with distinct focuses. Binance is known for its extensive spot trading options and global reach, whereas Bitget specializes more in futures and derivatives trading, catering to users seeking advanced margin capabilities. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offering a comprehensive platform for spot, futures, margin trading, and staking. It operates with high liquidity and a broad selection of over 500 cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for diverse trading strategies. Binance's user interface balances accessibility with advanced tools, including detailed charts and API access for automated trading. Security is robust, with features like two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets. However, Binance's vast ecosystem can be overwhelming for beginners, and regulatory scrutiny in some countries may limit access or features. Transaction fees are competitive but vary depending on trading volume and token usage. Binance suits traders who want a one-stop platform with extensive options and global liquidity, from beginners exploring spot trading to professionals engaging in complex derivatives. Bitget is a crypto exchange primarily focused on derivatives and futures trading, designed to provide a smooth experience for leveraged trading. It supports a range of cryptocurrencies and offers innovative features like copy trading, allowing users to follow professional traders easily. Bitget's platform emphasizes user-friendly design and risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and real-time analytics. While it offers spot trading, its strength lies in margin and futures markets with competitive fees and flexible leverage options. Bitget is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, enhancing trust for users concerned about compliance. Its limitations include a narrower range of spot assets compared to Binance and a smaller overall user base. Bitget is ideal for traders who prioritize futures and leverage trading with added social trading features, especially those seeking an intuitive interface and community-driven strategies. Binance and Bitget cater to different trading needs. Binance excels in spot trading with unmatched liquidity and a vast cryptocurrency selection, making it perfect for diversified portfolios and long-term holders. Its global presence and advanced tools suit both beginners and experts. Bitget stands out in futures and derivatives, offering competitive leverage and unique copy trading features ideal for traders focused on short-term speculation and learning from professionals. While Binance's fees can be slightly higher for derivatives, Bitget offers cost-effective futures trading but with fewer spot options. Security and regulatory compliance are strong on both, but Binance's scale sometimes brings regulatory challenges. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize wide asset access and spot trading, Binance, or leverage trading and social features, Bitget. Choose Binance if you want a comprehensive exchange with broad cryptocurrency options, high liquidity, and advanced tools for both spot and derivatives trading. Opt for Bitget if your focus is on futures and leverage trading, especially with innovative copy trading features that enhance learning and strategy. Both exchanges offer strong security, so your choice should align with your trading style and asset preferences.